think I got this perfection thing all wrong. Good Thursday morning, everybody. It is Thursday. Finally, tomorrow's day off, theoretically. Our gospel today continues. It's John 17, verses 20 through 26, Jesus' goodbye speech. And there's that phrase in there. It's right in the middle of this, at least on how mine works out, that they may be one, brought to perfection as one. Jesus talking about unity. And it just caught me, that phrase, that perfection, perfect is not about doing everything correctly. It's not about everything in its place per se, but just saying really the perfection of holiness is us being unified. And it dawned on me because, one, getting ready to do a marriage tomorrow, Rachel and Ben, and a number of marriages this week. And again, one of my things I talk with the couples as they prepare for marriages is, what are you ultimately called to be? Saints. Okay, you're to help each other be saints. That this perfection of unity is symbolized or sacramentalized, that's a better word, sacramentalized in marriage. That the goal of life is to be united with each other. It's not to have things. Success then would be unity. Success would be as having as much stuff or a good cup of coffee. It is that unity. So I'm just thinking, I've driven myself crazy trying to be quote unquote perfect in my life, trying to get everything right, do everything right. But this is a little bit more liberating, I think, somewhat, because it means, it's probably harder work because it means I actually have to live well with other people. I have to listen to people. I have to respect people. I have to see their goodness. So, maybe I have to think about this more. Maybe I need to work better on my perfection. Of course, I think a lot of us need to. So, that'll be my challenge for the day, the rest of my life. Be more perfect, be more unified with people. Not uniform, let's keep that up, but unified. All right, guys, enjoy the day and weekend. I'll see you back here on Monday, Pentecost. That is the Sunday. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.